Welcome to Planet MicroCap. I'm your host, Robert Kraft, and joining me today is Ryan McIntyre. He is the president of Maverix Metals. It's a publicly traded company. I got two symbols for you, MMX on both the TSX and the NYSE American. And Maverix Metals will be presenting at the upcoming Precious Metal Summit Beaver Creek, happening September 13th through 16th, 2022. For more information, please visit precioussummit.com. And with that, Ryan, thank you so much for joining me today. How you doing?
I'm good, thanks. How you doing?
Not too bad, and just looking forward to the opportunity to seeing everybody at Beaver Creek. So we did a couple of interviews in the past, but for those that may not have seen any of those interviews or have heard of Maverix Metals before, can you start us off with that quick overview of the company?
Sure. Well, Maverix is a precious metals royalty and streaming company. We currently have 125 royalties and streams and expect over $50 million of revenue in 2022 at a gross cash margin of approximately 90%, which has been pretty consistent over the years. One of the unique parts about Maverix is probably the fact that Newmont, Pan American Silver, and Kinross together own approximately 54% of the business, and management are also large holders at approximately 8%. So some pretty unique competitive advantages for us there at Maverix.
So Ryan, last time we spoke, we did that interview where we published it on September 3rd, 2021. So let's get that update. What would you say are some of the company's highlights or milestones achieved since the last time we spoke?
Yeah, so probably some milestones over the last year, probably a couple of them. Probably the most notable transaction that we did is that we acquired a gold stream from Ormet for $50 million at the end of last year. And that puts out about 5,000 gold equivalent ounces to Maverix's account each year. And probably the other notable thing is that the Camino Rojo mine just got into production at the end of 2021. It's operated by Orla Mining, and we have a 2% royalty there. And so that adds another 2,000 gold equivalent ounces a year to Maverix's account. So two pretty good things happened over the past year for Maverix.
Absolutely. So my last question is kind of twofold, because we were talking offline a little bit about, what's going on in the junior mining space and some of the headwinds and tailwinds, just a general sense of what's going on. And I think this ties in to the company's business model and, looking at potential new acquisitions, royalty and streaming. So, from what you can tell us, what would you say are some of the company's near-term value catalysts, as well as for lack of a better term, what's the vibe you're getting? How busy or not busy is Maverix in speaking with some of these companies that might be looking to partner or speak with you on some of these matters?
Yeah, well, I have to say the appetite for gold equities is pretty low right now. And as a consequence of that, there's actually a lot more opportunities for us as a royalty and streaming company to deploy more money into the space, just given that, the equity markets aren't really there for them. The debt markets are sort of spotty. And so now people are looking to us to provide them money to move their projects forward or to help them finance acquisitions or that type of thing. So I have to say, we've probably never been as busy as we are today looking at brand new opportunities, all the way from, like I said, financing companies for moving their projects forward, all the way through other companies trying to buy others. And so we're pretty excited about it from our perspective, because we see it help grow Maverix going forward. And I guess, just from our standpoint, I think one of the key aspects of our business model is that, we're hugely profitable, given our high margins of approximately 90%. So we're pretty consistent over the cycle. So it does allow us to invest in these sort of dire times as people view it. Probably the best time to invest as well.
Absolutely. So Ryan, with that, where can our audience go and find more information on Maverix?
You can go to our website, maverixmetals.com, or follow us on Twitter at Maverix Metals.
Very good. Well, Ryan, thank you so much for joining me today. Really do appreciate it. Good luck. Stay safe. And I look forward to seeing you at Beaver Creek.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you. Again, Maverix Metals will be presenting at the upcoming Precious Metal Summit Beaver Creek, happening September 13th through 16th, 2022. For more information, please visit precioussummit.com.